Hello, in front of me I've got Vivo V15 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to access File Manager. In the beginning, let's go to App Drawer or search for File Manager app. Enter it, and thanks to File Manager app, you've got access to your pictures, videos, audio, documents, apps, zips, tags, file save. Also you can check your common categories, storage location, or clean your files. Next you can go to Recent, and in the end you can enter PC control, recycle bin and settings. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.